I am going to make this clear. The Templar are not a weapon you can wield as you wish. We are not here to slay your enemies under false pretenses. Deceive me again, and this alliance of ours comes to an end.
Slaying Ma'lash's guardians fulfilled more than one purpose. Once the High Lord lies dead at my feet, none will challenge my rule. After all these years, my victory is nearly at hand. I feel his concern, Artanis. He knows that I'm coming for him.
Ma'lash?
No. Amon. Through the breath of creation, I peer beyond the veil. Oh, yes, I feel his rage washing over me. He knows I no longer fear him. He knows that the Tal'darim have no collar for him to control. I'm Terran the Chosen against him.
Do not assume you are already victorious, Alarak. Do not let the Terrazine cloud your judgment. You have a battle to win first.
The battle is already won. In my mind's eye, I have delivered the killing blow in 1,000 ways.
From my experience, overconfidence is your opponent's greatest ally. Do not let yours aid Ma'lash.
Spoken as one who welcomes defeat.
A new faction has joined our forces in the War Council. The assault ships are now ready for your inspection.
Paradakral. Destruction is Paradakral.
This chain of ascension is a despicable practice.
It is how the Khalai once thought of the Nerazim's Shadow Walk.
There is no comparison. Our society was not founded upon...
Their culture is one unyielding hierarchy, servant to master, a constant reinforcement of their bondage to Amon. But they have been lied to, Matriarch.
And how could this change if it is all they have ever known?
Our people once only knew hatred of one another. Suspicion.
Yes.
We viewed your practices as barbaric, and you viewed ours as cruel. It is the same with the Tal'darim, with the destruction of Amon, and the revelation of his betrayal. I expect their entire society to seek out who they truly are, and what they wish to be.
Stand tall. Our hierarch is here.
Karax, the Keystone, it's...
reacting. To void energies upon the planet's surface, most likely. I've seen this before on Ulnar. This Terrazine must be directly linked to the void.
The Tal'darim call it the breath of creation. They believe imbibing it allows them to speak directly to Amon.
A far-fetched claim, yet I cannot deny its plausibility. The substance's properties appear to be foreign to our universe.
Perhaps this is why it is so holy to them. They seek out planets rich in Terrazine, and turn them into temples to their god.
Our coming here may be a blessing to us. If the Keystone reacts to Terrazine like it does with void energy, I may be able to use it to stress the artifact, determine its limits.
Perhaps fate has not abandoned us completely. We must have faith.
I prefer results, Hierarch. Amon is powerful in measures that eclipse even the Queen of Blades. There is no room for uncertainty.
Ma'lash has proven himself to be a dangerous leader.
Indeed. That's why my victory shall be the sweetest of ecstasy.
Has he defeated many in this rite?
Countless. He ascended the chain with brutal wrath, plowing through all who opposed him. It's as if he were blessed by the Dark God. They called him the Blade of Amon.
And still he was challenged?
It is our way. He defeated each with lingering cruelty. Ma'lash revels in bringing his challengers to the edge of death and tormenting them for a time after.
That does not comfort me, Alarak.
Comfort is a myth, given to younglings until they are ready for the trials and pain that is true existence. Leave me. It is time to make preparations. The darkness within calls for the blood of Ma'lash. Now is the hour of my ascendance. Let Rak'Shir commence!
The rite of Rak'Shir has begun. From this moment, only Alarak and Ma'lash are allowed to engage each other in combat directly. One must overpower the other and reach the pit of sacrifice. There, the victor will stand as the new leader of the Tal'darim, and the loser's life will be forfeit.
They appear quite evenly matched.
This is true. However, from what I have learned, Rak'Shir allows the champion's supplicants to support them psionically. Our warriors will be able to aid Alarak, but likewise, the Tal'darim can assist Ma'lash.
I will ready our forces. Ma'lash will fight ruthlessly to hold on to his power. We must be prepared to do the same.
The Tal'darim will send warriors to aid Ma'lash shortly. We should ensure Alarak has sufficient reinforcements.
Ma'lash is drawing power from the Tal'darim. Alarak will need the support of our warriors.
I am the voice of the eclipse. Yes, your psionic power courses through me. Move forward, slaves. Kill all who aid Ma'lash.
You would do well to remember that I command these warriors, Alarak, not you.
Hierarch, I don't understand how this is possible, but my scanners are detecting high solarite concentrations in the native beasts here.
We ought to pursue them. However, I think it best if we don't inform Alarak of this little diversion.
Understood, Hierarch.
It would be wise for us to build a second nexus here.
I am the voice. I am here in the shadows. Very wise. You require my skills. Intriguing. State thy bidding.
You have not enough minerals.
Veraku, I am here in the shadows. Cold is the void. For the reckoning. I am the voice of the eclipse. I am the voice.
A Tal'darim attack force is inbound on our nexus point.
Brothers, attack the Firstborn directly!
It shall be as you say. Let our enemy know our fury. Very wise. We move unseen.
Well done, warriors. The first beast has been slain.
Veraku. We move unseen.
Speak your demand. Identify.
I Cold is the void. We move unseen.
Highlord, I am sensing hybrid. They come to aid Ma'lash.
Amon's harbingers, join our struggle. Fight well, warriors, and you will also ascend into hybrid. Oh, you lie with such conviction. It is almost admirable.
We
are at full power.
I am here in the shadows. Cold is the void. I am here. I serve for now. You require my skills. I am here in the shadows. Intriguing.
Locking on to the beast's coordinates. Warping it aboard.
One with the shadows. I am here in the shadows. Let our enemy know our fury.
Prismatic My vengeance will not be delayed. Send me your warriors. The enemy inbound.
Now I have all of them. My preliminary scans indicate that the solarite deposits are a byproduct of the beast's unusual digestive system.
Are you saying that they're... Wait. Never mind. I do not wish to know.
Upgrade complete.
I sense more hybrid approaching. Be ready.
We are one with the shadows. Now. Let our enemy know our fury.
Upgrade complete.
This warrior awakens. Our confrontation draws to a close, Ma'lash. Soon everyone will know the depth of your treachery.
You must construct additional pylons.
Warriors, the Tal'darim are moving against us from the upper pathway. Prepare our defenses.
Tal'darim, slaughter the firstborn, and your ascension will be assured.
I am here in the shadows. We are one with the shadows.
Zaknaku Afal.
Carrier has arrived.
We face the enemy.
I am here in the shadows.
This warrior awakens. I return to serve.
Master has already won, Alarak. You lead our people to their doom.
You are right about one thing, Ma'lash. I will lead them.
Dominator has appeared. It is on its way to Ma'lash.
Tal'darim, by the right of Rak'Shir, I am your Highlord. Listen and obey. Ma'lash promised you lies. There is no ascension. The Tal'darim will never be uplifted and become hybrid. Amon betrayed us, and for this, he must die.